Here is a stock Squawk and Talk soundboard in my Bally Mr. and Miss Pac-Man. Underneath it is my replacement Squawk and Talk board. It is a plug-and-play replacement for the stock Squawk and Talk board. It has the same 15-pin J1 connector as the stock board and the same 2-pin connector for the speaker. It has 3 volume knobs on it. One for the background, which is a new volume knob that's not on the stock Squawk and Talk board. One to adjust the sounds and one to adjust the voices. It also has a series of dip switches. The first dip switch 1, is called merge. It's currently in the off position. When it's in the on position, each of the sounds, not the voices, will merge into each other. If in the off position, each sound will stop when the other ones start, just like the stock Squawk and Talk board. The next 3 dip switches are for the sound bank. There's up to 8 sound banks on this card. Currently we're in sound bank 2. The next dip switch 5, is for the relays to turn them on or off. Currently it's in the off position, but you've got 3 relays down here and 3 screw terminals, one for each relay, to provide 12 volts to external lighting modifications. Relay 1 comes on when the game is playing. Relay 2 comes on when you're in aggressive mode. And Relay 3 comes on when you're inside the Pac maze. The next dip switch 6, is for a track that's not used on this game. The next 4 dip switches are for the game title. Mr. and Miss Pac-Man is game title 0, so all the switches are off. There is a Wave Player board on the card with a up to 32 gig micro SD card. All the sounds are in the root directory on this card for each of the banks. There are also directories on this card for all the other game titles. If you want to switch this to another game, adjust the game title switches and copy the files from the individual game directory back to the root directory. It also has a mono amplifier and a master volume knob.
Slow, kill shot ahead. Go to Pac-Man Saucer. Get ready. 3, 2, 1, go. Go to Pac-Man Saucer. Go to Pac-Man Saucer. Pac-Man aggressive. AM. AC. Pac-Man.